Imagine me wake up to bumbo clot and a this innocent come give me for my phone, my youth. A this innocent come give me for my phone, my youth. Me vex so me know that all Jamaica, them galley they know I come for my phone, them beat out them blood clot in my youth. I mean, what is our them artists here take themselves turning on my youth. Our them blood clot artists here do to themselves, my youth. Let me tell you something, my youth. Let me tell you something. A joke is blood clot, you know. It's a joke, you know. And one of the people them look and start make them people know say a joke in them blood clot, you know, my youth. Because when I look and see our woman a deal with a man from blood clot internet, you know. All them sitting there bun me, you know, my youth. You understand? Me go man a talk about man so-called pussy and then something them my youth. What kind of disgraceful thing them my youth? Eh? Woman so have respect for yourself and a show all pad pan blood clot internet my youth. You know make a decency counteract on a piggish mentality in my youth. Jesus Christ, I saw gone to the dogs my youth. Eh? Jesus Christ, my belly pain and my stomach sick to see a woman come on the blood clot internet and I talk them things about artists. You understand? Gully back, me I'll tell you this now. You can't come nowhere near me again, you know. No blood clot when near me again, you know. Because from Ninja Man bus from 1988 to this pussy world till 2016, you know. You nobody a come in here and a suck pussy and a Batman business, you know. You understand? You can't say a bumbo clot boy, we then say I'm my son, but they not sure if I'm my son and not know if I'm my son in this blood clot game, you know. But me not mix up myself in that things, you know. You all them people, my bad people, you know. Whosoever is not right, me segregate myself from them, you know. You know, say you know God people and I say you know deal with God. Eh? I then respect you know for God for you say tell no talk then something about no one other. God know Jesus Christ up I am supposed to sit down and turn the day when him blood clog up on the cross got dead for all of you. You don't know what you do. Eh? You don't know what you're doing to yourself in the name of Jesus and get a hold on yourself, man. This don't look good, man. You understand? And from a bad man point of view, a God kill me all front I judge me tell the judge this say, hold on if you get broke up. I should have blood clot when me a bad. Me walk on top I see like Jesus and beat Omari and beat Gully up and beat the whole of nobody upon the blood clot internet. But guess what now? Me change my life and me I live a way different. So me I go alone no business alone. But me I beg you no do. I know you alone in that something here. I know you alone there on the internet. People there on the internet and people who know to make them decent to counteract them piggish mentality there on the internet. People who have stomach we can sick there on the internet. Omari you have a daughter, you have son, you have pitney. You can't make yourself do them something there. Then in the future when you're putting incidents, so them go shame. Don't do nothing to the way you go shame about tomorrow. Or when you put your weight whole in life, people can't stress if you do them something there. Little girl be able to self, yeah. I'm going to tell you something. Anyone who try ramp with me look for and beat out on a blood clot. And anyone of them you can't find. You better change that blood clot something. So what about can't go find someone now can come back to Jamaica. Me Ninja Man say that. Me no want America, me no want to come there. Me no want to go to Canada, me no want to go to England, because Jamaica develop. We are PR tool out here now. I just the train line, the train system to come in now. And we don't have to go back on the foreign. We have plane, we have bomb buckler bus, we have highways, we have byways, we have everything. We don't need foreign. You understand? So all what talk about foreign, you never come to Jamaica and look on Jamaica. Eh? Jamaica rich, Jamaica turn up, Jamaica strong. Everything for Jamaica is up like blood clot one. And we not bend like 7. If I know 1, I 11. If I know 11, 111. Go on a your yard bad man with the blood clot down. I'm telling you something. Stop ramp with my country, yeah. You know stop ramp with my country. You know come back down here all who are disrespect down here, you know. All who are disrespect and go. You know think about our country people. Born a country, you know. I'm not going to talk about country and move like. No country people are nasty, so. No country people are this so. I worthless people that. You no come from nowhere, you no come from a mid-year, you no life a blow away, you no bumbo clot idiot, and anyone who no try to answer and say, you no can come back down here. Just answer me back and chat nothing about me and say, you no can come back down here. We have to blood class in Jamaica and wish it well. Let him want to come back foreign, but don't have to come there, go suck on the moment come out for internet, you no big dirty nasty life, you no big dirty thinking pussy, you no pussy big like Bob Marley blood clot funeral. Bumbo wall you can ramp with man and I style up Jamaica people and I style up Jamaica and I go and take man for food. And I go and I couldn't think foreign nowhere. Foreign nowhere, no man want to come on a foreign. Post the world don't know. And go back, you see how you go back to. I lick out your blood clot teeth them if you ever come back near me. See, and right now they're serious. They're serious. Go and go suck your mama too. Because you let down Jamaican artists them to a pussy. Go and have friends and suck them big pussy that were big like blood clot the whole of ocean out. I want your pussy. Eh? And I want to make some big idiot girl like on this up Jamaican artist them. But suck your mama and come back near me. I start bust a shot in your face. Pussy.
As a Jamaican, I must say how disheartening it is to see the image that Puppet, Gullibop, and Tent Jaws, no brush teeth but love chat up in a camera. Dirty Wig, Nasty House, Filthy Mouth, Psycho, Amari, aka DJ Mongrel Lisa, is portraying on social media and the World Wide Web. It makes me cringe to see how low they are willing to go in their quest for fame and fortune, and that they are willing to use just about any stunt, including the name of God, in the most blasphemous way to achieve it. Amari keeps quoting from the Bible in her attempt to show her closeness with righteousness while living like the spawn of the devil. They are a disgrace to Jamaica, to any man, to any woman, and to any mother, dancehall and humanity. They are infesting social media and the World Wide Web with nastiness, and I take it personal because it gives us a bad reflection as Jamaicans. They are giving other people that don't know better the wrong impression that we all live like animals in Jamaica. This mentally deranged, middle-aged, dirty woman, Amari, is discussing things that people don't want to hear about. Nobody, not even her man, wants to hear about certain things, much less when she wants to give detail and elaborate repeatedly about her personal things on an open forum as a net. This filthy whore needs to learn to put a filter on her fucking filthy blabbering mouth. While I don't agree with any kind of life threat to anyone, I understand Ninja Man's point that sometimes people's action make you want to bash their fucking head in with a shovel. But you let better judgment prevail because you know that there are consequences to every action. So you let it slide even though you still feel like they deserve some raw slicks. I don't agree with Ninja Man that nobody wants to go to foreign because it is always good to have options. And as a person with dual citizenship, I know the advantage of both options. But I, however, understand his point that it is not worth it if it comes at a cost of degrading yourself, stooping low and living like a dog like Gullibop is with Amari. People, believe me, don't watch the false glamour. It is just a show. Bop and Amari are at the bottom of the barrel in America. They are living the lowest lifestyle and constantly disrespecting poor people. How the fuck does two people that obviously were not used to anything have the gall and audacity to disrespect anyone when they have no morals and that don't cost a thing but to exercise it? People, Gullibop is a total disgrace to dancehall and Jamaica, but we keep giving him a pass because of his fame. We must finally revoke that pass. People, Gullibop is taking advantage of all those chances we keep giving him and he's getting from bad to worse. He is disrespectful, ungrateful, and a little ghetto snob, and we need to lock him off and lock him out since he wants to play the fool role. In closing, Gullibop, you're in that situation you're in with Amari because of those same little disrespectful, ungrateful, hard-headed, stubborn tendencies. You must remember that the same people you pass on your way up is the same people that you pass on your way down. I must warn you that that psycho Amari is not one of those kind of bitches that you feel like you're going to use and get away with it scot-free. If she have to lie to get you locked up, she will. If she have to pay someone to kill you or kill you herself in a rage, she will. Gullibop, get the fuck out of this situation while you can, because situations like yours have a high probability that you will end up dead or in prison. In other words, count your losses and run, nigga, run like a slave or a runaway groom to be. Plus, it is just not morally right for two mad people to get married. What is also very disturbing about this Amari and Bob saga is that people are actually encouraging Amari. They must be just like her or stupid as fuck to not see the type of person that she is. She is brainwashing a whole set of people, and I cannot believe that people are actually buying into her manipulative Ponzi scheme. You should be very ashamed of yourself. I am not trying to tell anyone what to watch, but don't encourage dysfunctional shit when kids are involved and watching. Set some example. Where are your moral values? Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bless up. One love.